say many are very intrigued with her origin and background is an understatement of epic proportions. So confusing and full of loopholes were Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo's answers to questions about her past and personal information that even the president is perplexed as to who this local chief executive really is. The details in this story.
Kilala ko lahat ng mga tiga-Tarlac na politiko eh. Walang may kilala sa kanya. Kaya nagtataka kami kung saan nanggaling ito, bakit ganito ito, hindi namin malaman.
Even President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has expressed suspicion about the true identity of Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo. Guo is under scrutiny following a high-profile raid on a pogo operation located just behind the municipal hall. She denied any connection to it. However, many were even more puzzled by the mayor's background when she couldn't properly answer questions about her identity during a Senate inquiry.
Saan po yung bahay ninyo nung ipinanganak kayo?
Hindi ko na po, Your Honor, hindi ko na po alam.
The lady mayor couldn't answer why her birth was only registered when she was already 17 years old. Her father's citizenship also doesn't match her birth certificate and business documents.
Sino naman po sina Jian Zhongguo at saka Lin Wen Yi? Dahil pareho po ang address nila, bagamat Chino po sila.
Opo, bali mga kasama po sa negosyo.
Sino naman yung Jian Zhongguo? Siya ba yung binanggit ninyo kaninang sabi nyo nag-iisang kapatid nyo, half-sibling sa ama?
Hindi po.
Sino po siya?
Yan po yung Chinese name po ng tatay ko.
The PTV News team visited Bamban Municipal Hall at 10 o'clock this morning to get Mayor Guo's side. According to her staff, she was last seen in the office on Monday. The news team returned to the municipal hall in the afternoon after seeing the mayor's post.
Sir, andito si Mayor. Ano yung post sa Facebook niya? Ha? Pumunta po ba siya rito ngayon? Sa post niya kasi meron siyang winelcome eh.
Barangay Virgen de los Remedios, where the mayor is said to have been residing, was also visited.
Hindi siya maiwaga. Nakita ko na siyang dala-dalagita. 207, 208 kasi yun nga, inaasikaso yung sa barangay. Pumunta siya sa barangay, nagpapaalam. Yun may bago yung farm niya na dito.
Hindi ko alam kung anong pamumuhay niya. Basta alam namin nung nanalo siya sa election dito.
Yun lang, parang election. Nakilala namin.
Kaya kailangan talagang imbestigahan. So kasabay sa Bureau of Immigration, pati siguro may mag-question na ng kanyang citizenship. Yun, lahat iimbestigahan natin yun. Kasama ang investigasyon ng mga hearing na ginagawa ng Senado.
Manila Representative Benny Abante supports the probe on Mayor Guo's identity.
Malaking garapalan na ito eh. Itong Bamban Mayor Alice Guo sa kanyang mga sagot. Natin may higit talaga pang Pilipino ito. I mean, hindi siya dapat maging mayor kung hindi mapatunayan Pilipino siya. Dapat lamang na tanggalin na ito bilang mayor. Pagkat hindi ang sa akin ang Chinese hindi lamang ang China hindi lamang gustong kontrol ng West Philippine Sea. Pati buong Pilipinas kontrol na eh.
This is Sharms Espina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.